Good morning. My name is Avnish Kulkarni. I am from Mahesh Vidyalaya English Medium School, studying in 9th standard. Today, me and my friends got a wonderful opportunity for the session of Leena ma'am. She gave her experience of working in NASA and ISRO. We are glad to have such a great mentor, and I think that has inspired us, many of us, to pursue that career. Thank you, New India Assurance Company, for this giving this wonderful opportunity to us.
Life is full of uncertainties. Nature strikes without warning. Chaos unfolds in an instant. In these crucial moments, New India Assurance moves fast with empathy, action, and protection.
हमने अभी तक 5 टोटल जो विक्टिम्स हैं उनको हमने आइडेंटिफाई किया हुआ है.
From cyclones to floods, our commitment is unwavering. Lakhs of claims settle swiftly, bringing immediate relief. Across every hour, in every corner, New India Assurance moves swiftly to act. Where disaster struck, relief followed. Lakhs of claims settled on the spot, be it furious cyclones or deadly landslides. In catastrophe, our actions speak in numbers. Whether at home or overseas, our promise stands tall. Our strength lies in our ability to adapt, protect, and rebuild lives. Our digital initiative brings your records to the ground, so claims happen not after, but right then and there. Our reach spans continents and coasts, from Tokyo to Kanyakumari, because protection knows no borders, no nationality, only humanity. We don't just insure, we empower. From urban innovation to rural resilience, New India Assurance is always there, acting with speed, caring with empathy. Beyond just protection, we care by supporting health, empowering women, uplifting villages, and preserving nature. These CSR efforts truly reflect New India Assurance's commitment to values beyond business. As we strengthen our infrastructure and extend support to even the most remote communities. With future-ready products and digital solutions, we redefine protection for every Indian. Our dedication has been recognized globally. Our reach spans from Mumbai to Japan, and we secure India's confidence worldwide. 107 years strong and still as young as the India we serve. With smarter systems, seamless access, and fast claims, we are building the new India. Day and night, in storms or stillness, across the nation and overseas, the sun never sets on New India Assurance.
न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस में हम हर वो कदम उठाते हैं जिससे आपके सपने सच हो सकें.